Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum with USDT on Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on USDT first. Most of the time you are going to find USDT on the home page, but if you are not able to find USDT, then you need to tap on this circle in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for USDT. Now you need to remember that as we want to purchase Ethereum, so you need to select the USDT that is based on Ethereum network. After selecting the USDT, you need to make sure that you have enough amount of USDT in your account to bear the conversion fees. After that, you will have to come back to the home page, and then you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner. Once done, you will be landed on this browser page where you just have to scroll down and then tap on PancakeSwap. This will land you on the official website of pancakeswap.finance. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Trust wallet with it. For that, instead of this wallet icon, you are going to see a connect button. So you need to tap on that connect button, and after that you just have to connect your Trust wallet with PancakeSwap. Then you need to make sure that the network is selected as Ethereum. After that, you can start your swapping process. Now as you want to buy Ethereum with USDT, in the first section you will have to select USDT. For that, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that you need to select USDT. Then in the to section you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and you simply need to select Ethereum. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you have in your Trust wallet account, and that USDT which you want to spend in order to purchase Ethereum. After that, you just have to scroll down and then tap on the swap option. After waiting for some time, the swap will be completed and you are going to get the Ethereum in your Trust wallet with USDT. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.